Your Professor Wood is the best, and our TA Arielle is not bad too. With Prof, we're diving deep. It's a math crusade, matrix, vectors, the tools of the trade. From calculus slides to the ML game, simplify equations, let's ignite the flame. Vibes to the gradient flow, partial derivatives, yeah, I'm in the know. Functions with inputs, multi-dimensional ride, linear regression, that's a starting guide. Transpose the hustle, keep the norms intact. Dot product spinning is the math pack fact. Logistic twist, sigmoids in the play, binary splits like the ML way. Linear algebra making moves and strides, probabilities flip like a rollercoaster ride. Graphs and charts plotting a destiny, in the world of numbers we find our harmony. Count it up, break it down, solve it right. Equation shining bright in the night. Through every challenge we learn and play. On this epic math crusade we slay. Integrations cool and derivations tight. In a math-filled world we see the light. From data points to theorems that sway. With each calculation we pave the way. Algorithms spinning like a DJ track. Patterns and sequences leading the pack. In this math marathon we hold the key, unlocking the mysteries of pure ecstasy. Count it up, break it down, solve it right. Equations shining bright in the night. Through every challenge we learn and play. On this epic math crusade we slay. Algorithms spinning like a DJ track. Patterns and sequences leading the pack. In this math marathon we hold the key, unlocking the mysteries, it's pure ecstasy. Count it up, break it down, solve it right. Equations shining bright in the night. Through every challenge we learn and play. On this epic math crusade we slay.